Persuasive techniques in advertisements. So using information below, use the symbols to explain what type of advertising technique is being used. You have pathos, which is an appeal to emotion. This is one that tries to evoke an emotional response in the consumer, such as happiness, pain, or fear or guilt. You also have logos, an appeal to logic or reason. This one tries to give you evidence and statistics to understand the product, such as one glass of Florida orange juice contains 75% of your daily vitamin C needs. And then ethos is an advertisement trying to convince you that the company is more reliable, honest, and credible. Therefore, you should buy their product, such as using a famous actor or actress that wants you to switch to a different cell phone company. So use P, L, or E for each of the examples that are below. Number 1, a child is shown covered in bug bites after playing outside. Number 2, a famous golfer wears a Nike baseball hat. Number 3, Sprite Zero is 100% sugar-free. Number 4, a happy couple is seen riding through the countryside in a nice car. Number 5, a bottle of detergent can clean 32 loads of laundry.